Some tips for before, while, and after a jump battery for doing it yourself. Let's start. 1. We suggest you buy jumper cables from a gas station or auto hardware store and keep them in your car. 2. Your kids keep away from the engine while you are setting up a jumper cable jump. 3. The jump battery may be too complicated for some vehicles, so check the manual of your car before starting. 4. It is important that you avoid electric shocks by wearing gloves while handling the jumper cables. Metal clamps should not be touched with your body or with any other metal. 5. We recommend wearing protective eyeglasses if sparks occur. 6. Contact Battery Boost near me if you're unsure what to do. 1. Ensure that you can distinguish between positive and negative terminals on the battery. Using a rag or wire brush, you can clean the battery terminals if they are dirty. 2. Using red clamps, attach one to the positive terminal of the dead battery and another to the positive terminal of the working battery. 3. Black clamps are connected to the negative terminal of the working battery, and the other black clamp should be connected to clean engine nuts or bolts. This will ensure a safe jump. 1. After boosting the battery, disconnect the black jumper cables while the engine is on, before disconnecting the red jumper cables. 2. Heavy trucks have double batteries and need an extra boost. 3. Depending on the size of your vehicle and battery, charging your battery is varying within 10 to 20 minutes. The battery may have to be replaced if all else fails. 4. Turn the engine off and on to make sure that the battery does not die again. The battery may have to be replaced if all else fails.